6 powerful ways to get free traffic so your products can be seen. Hi, Lee Casano here from ReprintWritesBiz.com. Traffic is the lifeblood of your online business. Without traffic, your product sales will flatline, as will your ability to build a successful online business. The truth is, when it comes to jump-starting a website, finding and luring traffic is actually quite simple if you take the time to carefully structure your campaigns before a launch. You need to create a system based on longevity so that you can continue to generate traffic to your website long after the initial push. So let's get right to the heart of the matter, creating a rock-solid, powerful traffic campaign that will skyrocket your sales and boost your brand awareness. Number 1, social networking traffic. Those who haven't seized the power of social marketing are missing out on what is one of the easiest strategies to generate fresh, targeted traffic at absolutely no cost. One of the most popular social networks carrying remarkable branding power is Twitter, now known as X. Twitter's interface is simple to navigate. I hear its popularity is unbeatable in comparison with any other social community, including Facebook. The trick to generating traffic with Twitter is to be as active as possible and to post a mixture of both free and informative messages, as well as promotional messages that will send people to your squeeze page or affiliate link. Always try to think of ways of being entertaining, as the majority of people on Twitter are interested in networking and communicating with new friends, and are reluctant to click on links or visit websites that they believe are promotional based. This means that you need to take a very different approach when promoting through these networks. With social networking sites, you can direct contacts to a squeeze page, direct contacts to your blog, build brand awareness, and an increased following base by thanking them for following you. Number 2, traffic with videos. You can quickly generate nonstop traffic from video submissions. To begin, create a short clip and then upload it to a popular video directory like YouTube. Another easy way of creating video presentations is by using the article content you've already created to develop article videos. You'll be able to generate traffic just by leveraging your article content. This will get you traffic to your affiliate links almost instantly. Number 3, article marketing. Article marketing is another method of generating relevant traffic and backlinks from authority websites to quickly maximize your outreach. Generally, your articles should never be longer than about 300 to 500 words. This is enough to get your article accepted, but not so long as to lose your reader's attention. You also want to make sure that your content is unique and targeted. Number 4, traffic from press releases. With press releases, you can begin to generate massive traffic within a few days, and the cost of submitting a press release is very affordable. In fact, there are free press release distribution services. There are free press release distribution services online that you can use. In order to create an effective press release, simply choose one of your articles and tweak it so it's structured to sound more like news rather than content. The objective of a press release is to make an important announcement, and so you need to modify your article just a bit so that it's properly formatted and appears to be newsworthy. Number 5, traffic from slideshows. With websites like Scribe.com and Slideshare.net, you can literally begin to generate prime traffic through your affiliate links moments after your slideshow has been uploaded to your community sites. All of these websites rank exceptionally well in the search engine so your slideshow presentation can begin to generate views almost instantly. Number 6, number 1 source of traffic is to build your list. I use Reprint Rights products to build my list with. They are finished books, booklets, reports, and manuals that are ready to make money with. See reprintwritesbiz.com or a link below this video. You want to direct people to a landing page and offer them something like a free report or instant download in exchange for their email address. An example would be found at leoncasano.com. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe below for more videos, and you can find my links down there below also.